The plie squat with calf raise is going to teach our lower body to work in tandem, to make different parts work together. Here I'm going to be in a very difficult position, in a low plie squat. Again, use the wall if you need to. My toes have opened, and I'm going to raise my heel off the floor. I'm going to use my calf to lift. Notice that I'm not bouncing too much in my hips. I'm trying to keep everything nice and stationary. My knees are over my toes, and I'm going to really feel that in my inner thighs, and when I do bring my heel up, I'm going to feel it in my calf muscle. Keeping my back nice and long, my core engaged, my body is working as one unit, which again is what we're looking for.